Like, you don't know who I am, Soulja Boy?
Maybe in the dream.
Why did Usman feel the need to act like he didn't know who you were? Like, you
I don't
guys
know.
spent time in Turkey together, yes or no?
Yeah, so I'm like, what the hell? After Istanbul, like, he's love bombing me, like, oh, let's travel, let's do this, like, I want to be with you. And then, like, a week or two before Mexico, he started to, like, pull away.
How soon before getting to the resort? Like, when was the last message that was sent?
He literally called me the night before. Yeah,
So he acted like he didn't know you.
yeah.
Maybe in the dream or imagination.
Maybe in my imagination.
I was kind of like trying to talk to Courtney, but she was kind of like being so offensive already. She wasn't giving me attention.
Your mask is so... I love it.
It's not like I didn't recognize her. I definitely gonna recognize her first before even recognizing anybody. I don't mean to hurt her, but like I'm having this intention that maybe I should try and see, is it really that she's into me? Because we both have options being there. I was just trying to play safe.